Hey, what's up guys? Got a quick video here. Got a package in Monday. Had someone powder coat a few things for me. They're gonna go underneath the hood of the car. So I might as well just open them up and show you. I'll leave the link in the description below of this guy's Instagram who does powder coating for his job and stuff like that. He's out in New Jersey. Oh, this is the breather cap. Got this for my car. I wanted him to paint this the same color as my valve cover. But unfortunately he couldn't. He would have ruined the breather. So unfortunately that couldn't get powder coated. This right here is the cover for my fuel pressure. Gorgeous looking. So everything's gonna match the valve cover, which is gonna be wicked rad. So that looks really nice. He does great work. Let's see what else. I told him powder coat the little screws, and I guess I don't even know what to call them. But I had him do them black instead of chrome or silver or whatever they came like. Yeah, this is gonna look really nice. See the black in them, or on them I should say. The screws top, just the hardware. That's gonna look nice. Let's see. This is the last piece. This is a cover where the coil packs go. So we'll take this cellophane off. And this is it. It goes right on top of the valve cover. Covers up the coil packs. He does amazing work. So leave that there. And I got one more big present. So I got that box Monday from New Jersey. And I got this big bad boy. JC Speedworks out in California. Thank you. Fortunately, this dude doesn't have an Instagram. So who knows if he's ever going to get one. But he makes his own, for those who have a Speed 3 Gen 2, everybody has a hood scoop, right? Well, this guy makes vents that replaces the hood scoop and stuff like that. So I'll open this up. Oh shit. Drop the scissors. Let's see, how am I going to do this? Please don't let me cut my finger. All right. Get in there. I paid $226 for this. PayPal them. Sent it out pretty much the next day. Super fast with shipping. JC for JC Speed. Get yourself a sticker. Get a little extra horsepower, I've been told, with stickers. Here's the rivets that you're going to need to use with a vent. Very thin and small. Put that off to the side. Now these come powder coated. If you don't want them to become powder coated, you're more than welcome to let the guy know that just send them raw, so you could actually powder coat these to whatever color you want. So he does them all black, but like I said, if you don't want black, tell him to send you the raw piece, so you could find yourself somebody who powder coats and you could have it done whatever color you'd like. I don't know if he does any other colors, even if you ask him. But this is what it's going to look like. Wow, this is heavy. Oop. I should have done this in the daytime. I waited too long. I've been playing blackout. So I'll be seeing my friend tomorrow to work on the car again. Still trying to find this boost leak. It's killing me. I got random misfires in cylinders now, so he's going to take a coil pack out of cylinder 3 and swap it with something else and see if that works. Who knows if I need coil packs or new injectors, but I hear new injectors are very expensive. I just picked up from Advanced Auto Parts NGKs, one step colder spark plugs. So those will be tossed in tomorrow, and let's see what happens. You can see the little, here's this little like symbol in the ring. Yeah, I should have done this in the daytime. Wow, that's gonna look freaking so rad. I don't know, I don't even know if anybody else on the East Coast has this, but I cannot wait to get this in.